Hello, my name is Lynette from Urrbrae House, and today I'm going to show you how to make paper beads. These were a popular craft item in the 19th century. Ladies would make these beads to wear as jewellery, but also they could be put on long strings and hung in doorways as a curtain to deter insects from coming inside the house. To make your beads, you're going to need some scissors, paper. I find coloured wrapping paper works really well, a knitting needle or metal skewer, a small paintbrush. You'll use this to put the glue onto your paper, and some cornflour paste. That's a traditional glue that is used in paper bead making. If you don't have any cornflour paste, you can use shop-bought glue or a glue stick. If you want to use cornflour paste for your paper beads, it will need to be made by an adult as it requires the use of boiling water. They will need 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of cold water, and about half a cup of boiling water. Mix the cornflour and cold water together until smooth, and then pour on the boiling water, all the time stirring constantly until a slightly thick glue is formed. Cut your paper into strips like these. They should look a little like long, thin pyramids. The base will need to be about 2 to 3 centimetres wide, and the piece of paper should be about 20 centimetres in length. Don't be too worried if your measurements aren't perfect. It just means that you'll end up with either longer or thicker beads. Now take your knitting needle and a piece of paper. Wrap the widest end of your piece of paper around the knitting needle, and then get some paste on your paintbrush. Put paste all the way down on the paper, making sure you've covered it smoothly. Now, holding the paper firmly, you're going to wrap it around the knitting needle. You'll need to apply a little bit of pressure to keep the paper together, and keep wrapping until there is no paper left. As you get towards the end of the paper, you may need to apply a little more paste. Squeeze it together firmly and then very gently slide it off your knitting needle. And there you have a paper bead.